Hey, Sneekylinux back in the house, yes. Today, we're back with Linux Mint Sylvia XFCE version, released officially yesterday as far as I'm aware. And very nice it is too. Now I prefer this over the cinnamon version, which I done a week or so ago. I can't remember really. It was a little while ago anyway. I do actually prefer this version. It's just because I do. That's just it. You can configure it quite well if you want to. There's plenty of stuff here. Now I'm not going to go over this too long like I did the last one because I've already done it basically. This is just showing you the different desktop at the end of the day and what else it comes with. So when you first boot into it, you get the usual Linux Mint welcome screen. So you've got new features, documentation, apps, drivers, donations, getting involved with the chat room and the forums. And you can turn that off at startup, so we're going to turn that off, okay? And close that down. So what do you get? Well, you don't get this background as standard, you get the Mint one, but I've just changed it because that's what I do, okay? Usual XFCE down the bottom. I've not put any of my extras in so far, none at all. But I've installed it and the system is up to date, okay? I'll go to the main menu, because it's all down here. You also get Show Desktops, Firefox, Terminal, and your file system. Oh yeah. So there's our main menu. Nice and fast, nice and quick. Does what it says on the tin. So if we go to the Firefox web browser, we'll open him up. I've got no drinkage. My God, what's going on? There we go. And the Fox opens up. And then we have the latest release blogs. So if we go to Sylvia XFCE, there we go. And there we go. Tells you all about it and what it contains and what's new in Linux Mint XFCE. Right, it says the system requirements are 1 GB of RAM. I'll go a bit more than that realistically, okay? Realistically. 32-bit still and 64-bit, okay? And there's all the links you can go to download it. So that's pretty good there. So you can go and do that yourself and download it. So what's new in Mint? Okay, we have a better manager. Yes, you do. Now they use flatpaks as well here, so you can get like stuff like Spotify, WhatsApp, etc., etc. The manager is quite nice, and I'll show you that in a moment. But as you can see, there's lots in there, and that's as far as I'm going to go. Okay, so what do we want to do? I'll tell you. We'll go to the software manager. Okay. And in theory, it should ask me for my password very shortly. There we go. Oh, no, it doesn't. Maybe it's going to be after. So as you can see, you can get whatever you want here. So if we go down to sound and video, for instance, it'll give you a big list of stuff. VLC is already installed, as you can see here, by the little tick. Now, when you install a flatpak, you won't actually know, but they're like sandboxed from the main system, basically, if you've been following flatpaks and snaps, etc. There is plenty of software in here for you to install and use. Okay, so if I go back, we see Inkscape. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to install stuff and if it works correctly. Looks alright. Let's make that nice and big. Yeah, let's make that big so you can see what we're doing. Okay, Inkscape. Like it. Install. Click. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, and it wants a lot more stuff as well. Live Magic it wants, which it would do anyway. So it's not a really, really big ISO really. So if I put my password in, there we go, and it'll start installing, doing its stuff. Inkscape should not take long whatsoever. I did have to install HTOP though, that wasn't by default, only top is by default, and their own system manager. Okay, oh, there we go, it's done. So I'm going to close that down completely. If we go down to our menu and go to graphics, and there we have Inkscape. Remember, you can get Inkscape Lite as well if you don't want the full version, but most of you, I want this one. Okay. That's how easy it is to install stuff. I'll go down to the terminal for you. You can install from the terminal if you want to. It's up to you. So if I type in top here, it will bring it up for us. As you can see, 450 meg of RAM. Ain't too bad at all. It's not even touching the sides of my CPU. It's not doing anything at all yet. That's pretty good. I thought so anyway. So what else do you get as standard? Because that's what we really want to know, isn't it? If I go to accessories, we'll start there. All the usual really. PDF viewer, image viewer, screen reader, take a screenshot, task manager, that's the other one by the way, I'll open it up for you so you can see. There you go, look, not doing anything at all, is it? Lovely. Close you down, bye. Back to the menu again. Graphics, as we just seen. GIMP you get as well, Pix and Simple Scan as you would do. HexChat, Pigeon is by default, Transmission and Thunderbird. Multimedia, I've installed Spotify here, so if I click on it for you. In theory, I'm not sure if this is a flatpak actually, it could be. I'll look into that. So I've logged into one of my accounts for Spotify. It's not my main one, this is just one I use on puppy stuff really normally. All works okay. I recently played songs. Bit of J-House. Know what I'm saying? Super duper. Close him down. Next, we will go down to Office. It's the full LibreOffice suite, so I've opened up Calc for you. We'll see how fast it goes. It won't be too bad. Bim bum 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 bum. Done. Super. Do all your calculations in your spreadsheets. Super easy. What else do you get? I hear you cry. Right, settings is your main one, okay? There's loads and loads and loads here, okay? But what about Compiz config, okay? Now, some of you younger guys might not remember Compiz. I mean Compiz, okay? We scroll down here. Desktop cube by default. That's where you used to have the cube on the screen and you put all your windows on there, which is great. Fade to desktop. A viewpoint, what port switcher, a widget layer, rotate your cube, show your desktop, clones, oh yeah, and loads of 3D effects you can have on your screen to make it super duper and nice, lovely. Okay. Finally, we'll go to System. Make a backup of your home directory. Yes, please do it and keep it on a USB drive somewhere else, just in case it all hits the fan, as they say. Configure your network. I'm here by Ethernet here, so it's no big deal for me. Your software sources, system reports, super duper, time shift. So it's a bit of a restore thing, okay? So I think somebody's already done that already, so I'm not going to do that. But if nobody has done it, somebody let me know and I will do that. Change your desktop. It's all the usual XFCE stuff. So this is basically what you get. So if you don't like Cinnamon, you don't like Gnome, and you don't like KDE, give this a little go. I'll just change it to that one. Okay. Oh, it's red. Oh, it's hurting my eyes. But yeah, it's really nice and easy to use. I've never had much luck with Mint personally in the past, but a lot of people rave about it. And I can see why, when it works correctly. Love it. Sneekylinux out. I see you later. Bye bye.